this is Tara from Julia Bay Design Studio, and we're going to learn how to use our mask templates to press your mask. Hi, okay, you need to first check which is the front of your mask. This side has the serging on, so that's the back. So find your front of your mask, use your lint roller and give it a good clean off. You want to stretch the mask a little bit. Take your design, which I already have pre-cut, place it on as close as you can. You're going to have to pull now. You want to put your hand on the design, pull and tuck this underneath. It's going to be a little tight, and that's what you want because it's going to print really close to the ribbon this way. Okay, so once you're done this, I would take it to my press and press it on a pillow. We'll video that in just 1 second, okay? So we're all tucked in, okay? All right, I have it on my pressing pillow. I'm gonna put a paper on top, and I'm doing 400 for 60 seconds. Besides it being super duper hot, it's a perfect print. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to see our videos as soon as they're uploaded.